evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Congress releases poll manifesto for February 27th elections, says manifesto is prepared after considering the problems faced by people of Meghalaya. Chief Electoral Officer Frederick Roy Kharkangor refutes report on Phulbari clash, says 31 people have been arrested in connection with a clash between workers of NPP and TMC. MPCC President and Shillong MP Vincent H. Pala expresses concern over Meghalaya-Assam border pact, bats for formation of border commission to resolve the vexed problem. And BJP National Secretary Tarun Chok launches poll campaign at Nongpo, highlights scheme initiated by BJP-led NDA government. The news in detail. Ahead of the upcoming assembly elections due on February 27th, the Congress today released its manifesto. The document outlines the party's vision and promises for the state in various sectors, including agriculture, education, health, infrastructure and education of girls, among others. The manifesto was released by All India Congress Committee General Secretary Jairam Ramesh in the presence of AICC in charge of Meghalaya, Manish Charat, MPCC Chief Vincent H. Pala, Manifesto Committee Chairman Celestine Lingdo, besides other senior party leaders. Talking to reporters after releasing of the manifesto, Ramesh said that the manifesto was finalized after considering the problems faced by the people of the hill state.
So for the Congress, this is a watershed election. And I will give you only two indicators of this manifesto. Has 14 big promises to be fulfilled over the next 5 years. Every year, we will present a report to the people of Meghalaya, giving a report card on the status of implementation. We have promised a job to every household, promised a power cut-free Meghalaya, I mentioned that to you. Corruption-free Meghalaya, most important, we will have a law against corruption. We will implement this law. We will have an ombudsman. We will have a strong anti-corruption machinery. And whatever the orders passed by legal authorities, like the National Green Tribunal, will be implemented fully. And we have promised a drug-free Meghalaya.
Chief Electoral Officer Frederick Roy Kharkangor has refuted reports which allege that TMC workers were responsible for Tuesday's clash in Phulbari. He made it clear that he would not be able to reveal who was actually responsible for the violence involving TMC and NPP workers at Char Batapara village on the Phulbari constituency in West Gar Hills district. Informing that police have rounded up perpetrators in equal numbers from both sides, Kharkangor said that he will not be able to comment who is responsible for the acts of violence until an investigation report is submitted to him. He further said that 31 people have been arrested so far and around 125 of the possible perpetrators have been booked under Section 107 of the CRPC.
But the situation was swiftly brought under control when the police team from Phulbari police station, they arrived at the spot. Then the SDO Civil, who is also the returning officer of that area, he also, along with the SDPO, they reached the spot and they stationed themselves there. So in Phulbari, as you know, on the 7th evening, late at night, there was a report that there was a clash between the NPP and the TMC, whereby the local MDC was passing through the particular area, and then the clash broke out between the TMC and the NPP, in which there was a pelting of stones and some people sustained injuries. And as per the reports which we received, the situation is under control and there are no further incidents in that place. And in Meghalaya, by and large, we have a culture of peaceful elections, and we feel that this incident may be just an aberration and will not be something which is the normal pattern in respect of the conduct of elections here in Meghalaya.
All India Congress Committee General Secretary Jairam Ramesh today took a dig at some political parties, terming them as political puppets of BJP. Addressing newsmen after the release of the party manifesto, Ramesh said that NPP is BJP's A team in Meghalaya and UDP is B team. These parties are part of BJP's game plan, he added.
In the Meghalaya politics, JMC, not TMC, JMC, Jonas Mukul party, JMC. And there are puppets in different states. Here there is one puppet called the NPP. There is another puppet called the UDP. These are all part of the BJP's game plan. NPP is BJP's A team here. UDP is BJP's B team here. TMC or JMP is BJP's C team here. And BJP is the D team here. It is only the Congress party that believes not just unity in diversity, but unity through diversity.
MPCC President and Shillong MP Vincent H. Pala, while expressing concern over the pact signed between Meghalaya and Assam last year to settle dispute in 6 out of 12 areas of differences, said that the government has not resolved the problem, rather it was made more complicated. The pact was signed without taking into consideration views of the ground-level people and all the stakeholders, as Meghalaya's land tenure system is different from that of Assam, he added. He suggested formation of a boundary commission to find an amicable solution to this vexed issue.
So we should discuss with the same, with the council, with the villages, with all the stakeholders. It is not that whether it's 12 or 22, whatever you say, different areas, the boundary dispute this government has not solved it. Rather, they may be more complicated. So when we do when we try to solve the border, we have to discuss with people at the ground. Actually, in Meghalaya, because of the land tenure system, is totally different. The culture is totally different from Assam. So we should discuss with the same, with the district council, with the villagers, with all these stakeholders. It is not that a chief minister one state sits in a 5-star hotel and another chief minister and say that we solve the problem.
The BJP National Secretary Tarun Chugh today campaigned for the party's Nongpoh candidate Marian Maring. Besides Chugh and Maring, the rally held at Umbuda Playground was attended by several prominent leaders of the Saffron Party. In his address, Chugh appealed to the people of Nongpoh constituency to support the BJP candidate for a change and assured that the party could fulfill the dreams of the people if it comes to power. He highlighted several schemes initiated by BJP-led NDA government at the centre.
Hakan ni kesni ngayeng nak benta jongki mungkin nong rep mo chi sang tip hakan ni ko nong ko konferensi jingi ki babun ki de ginong rep ki ba im haka rep karyang ki ba penim ki ba Christian school yala kayo kajong kaying kesem jongki ki babun ki de ginong rep dengar ngade kelong kemi ngade kariu kentei ngade ke kunong rep ngayang nak benta jongki.
The Trinamool Congress on Friday criticized other political parties for not flagging the issues pertinent to Meghalaya in Parliament. Addressing a press conference in Shillong, the leader of AITC Parliamentary Party Rajya Sabha, Derek O'Brien, said that TMC has a mission for Meghalaya and the party has presented its agenda for the state. Elaborating on the parliamentary proceedings of the last session, O'Brien said that the party had made it a point to raise every issue of Meghalaya in Parliament.
Yes, after that compilation of
Parliament is a platform. Parliament is a platform to raise issues and keep those issues in the public domain. Otherwise, if issues, it's the same way where media also is a great pillar to amplify and keep issues in the public domain.
Meghalaya State Service Authority Shillong, established under the Legal Services Authority Act 1987, held the National Lok Adalat in the state today. In the National Lok Adalat, several pre-litigation and pending cases were taken up for settlement. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 17.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 5.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 74%, while in the evening was 68%. Forecast: dry weather is most likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Congress releases poll manifesto for February 27th elections, says manifesto is prepared after considering the problems faced by people of Meghalaya. Chief Electoral Officer Frederick Roy Karkangor refutes report on Phulbari clash, says 31 people have been arrested in connection with a clash between workers of NPP and TMC. MPCC President and Shillong MP Vincent H. Pala expresses concern over Meghalaya-Assam Border Pact, bats for formation of Border Commission to resolve the vexed problem. And BJP National Secretary Tarun Chugh launches a poll campaign at Nongpo, highlights schemes initiated by BJP-led NDA government. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and have a good night.